Hi guys, you selected HTTPD application. And you wish to subscribe. An authentication is required. Create an account or select your preferred single sign on Google or GitHub. The next step is to give your payment details by filling the credit card form. Now your payment method is set up. Then go to Billing in the upper menu. To launch the application instance creation, you just have to click the Buy button. The magic happens. Our devoted team is installing your application instance. Here we are. Your dedicated application instance is now up and running. Click the link instanceid.saashup.com.